Hello, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda and we're doing a review of the Pleaser Prestige Tan Suede. These come in two versions, a really silver one and then the tan suede. I love these. They are such a high-end shoe. Really perfect for special events, engagements, weddings, gala dinners and balls. They really catch the light. They're just so special and encrusted with rhinestones everywhere. The size I'm doing today is a 38 or 8. However, they do run a little bit small and these ones are even a little tight on my feet. And these are the Pleaser Day and Night Prestige ones. So you can wear these in the day and night. Really stunning packaging again with Pleaser shoes, individually wrapped so they don't get damaged at all in transit. And then even on the inside they're covered in plastic to make sure that the rhinestones really arrive looking fresh and beautiful. So this is the other one. And then don't forget the travel bag. So your shoes when you're going out or to other places won't get damaged. So let's try these on. So as you can see, they are a little tight on my feet, but I can still walk in them. What do you guys think? Do they look good? I would definitely love to wear these to a wedding. I love the sparkles. They really stand out. They're such a high-end, gorgeous shoe for any sort of special event. Really, really gorgeous and sparkly. Those rhinestones are so eye-catching. And the heel isn't too high, so you can definitely wear it all day. It's about a 5.5-inch heel. And we'll give you a side view so you can see all of the shoe. It really kind of looks like a moonlight, these type of colored rhinestone on the tan suede. It's not like a silvery one, so I really think it has that mystical magic feel to them. Really stunning. And then there's also a little bit of grip on the bottom, but not like their normal ones. So let's take these for a walk outside so you can really see how nice and glistening they are in the sun. Hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure you let us know what you think. Like and comment on the videos. We do read them and reply. Oh my gosh, they are just stunning in the sun. So you just know during the day they're going to catch the daylight, at night they'll catch any sort of light that comes on them. Alright, let's take these for a little bit of a walk. Let me know what you think if you're enjoying these shoes. This is the Prestige by Pleaser and I'm wearing them in an 8. They are a little tight, but okay. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on the channel so that you don't miss any videos when we do post them. Every time we get new shoes in, we do reviews. So get in there quick because the shoes do sell out. And just a couple more turns before we head back in store. What did you guys think? How were they out there in the sunlight? I really hope you enjoyed these. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and we'll see you next time.